Let us start atomic structure numericals. We will take a sum. Wavelength of high energy transition. Wavelength of high energy transition. Wavelength of high energy transition of hydrogen atom. Is 91.2 nanometer. 91.2 nanometer. Calculate the corresponding wavelength of He plus ion. Corresponding wavelength of He plus ion. Okay. Now, first sentence will say wavelength of high energy transition of hydrogen atom is 91.2 nanometer. Sir, okay. So we will take Rydberg's formula 1 by lambda is equal to RH into Z square into 1 by N1 square minus 1 by N2 square. Okay. This is for what in the sense for hydrogen. Next we will see for helium ion. He plus ion we will take. So 1 by wavelength of He plus ion is equal to Rydberg's constant into Z for He plus ion into 1 by N1 square minus 1 by N2 square. Here you see that corresponding in the sense that year transition will remain same. That is the meaning of this. Here transition from which level to which level, the same level here also set. Therefore N1 and N2 here and N1 and N2 here same, and here Rydberg's constant same. So let us take 1 by 2 will take. So 1 by wavelength of hydrogen by 1 by wavelength of He plus is equal to atomic number of hydrogen by atomic number of He plus square. Okay, so which we can rewrite as wavelength of He plus by wavelength of hydrogen is equal to 1 by Z square wavelength atomic number of He plus ion. Okay, so wavelength of He plus ion we have to find. Wavelength of He plus ion we want to find. So which is equal to wavelength of hydrogen is 91.2 nanometer and atomic number of helium is 2 and square. So we are getting a wavelength of unipositive helium ion, that is 22.8 nanometer. Sir, we will go to the next question. A series of lines in the spectrum of atomic hydrogen, lies at wavelengths 656.46, 486.27, 434.17, 410.29 nanometer. What is the wavelength of next line in this series? What is the wavelength of next line in this series? What is the wavelength of next line in this series? Okay, so now we will take a wavelength range given. Wavelength range in the sense some of the wavelengths are given. What is the next wavelength they are asking? Set. So we will take this last wavelength will take 410.29 nanometer will take. This wavelength indicates this wavelength and the previous one you see and 656 you see. These wavelengths comes under which region? That means these wavelengths comes under visible region. Visible region in the sense Balmer series in the sense N1 is equal to 2. So we have to find n2. Okay, and it is hydrogen they said. Therefore, Rydberg's formula will take 1 by lambda is equal to RH into Z square into 1 by n1 square minus 1 by n2 square. Okay, we will substitute this wavelength. Suppose we are taking this 410.29 nanometer because for this next they are asking. So we will take this 410.29 nanometer we have taken. 410.29 nanometer we have taken. This we will convert into this nanometer we will convert into meters we will convert. Okay, we will convert this nanometer into meter. So nanometer into meter means 10 to the power of minus 9 meter, and the Rydberg's constant will substitute 1.1 into 10 to the power of 7 per meter. This Z is 1 for hydrogen, atomic number is 1, okay, leave it. Then 1 by n1 square. N1 is a lower level. This wavelength indicates that it is in visible region, that is Balmer series. For Balmer series, N1 value is how much means 2. So 2 we have substituted by N2 value. N2 value we can find it. Okay, by simplifying this we can find N2 value. N2 value comes as 6. Sir, so we got N2 value, we got it. Okay. Now they are asking next wavelength. They are asking in this series. In this series, what is the next wavelength? Sir, next wavelength we want. Therefore, 1 by lambda is equal to Rydberg's constant RH. We will substitute 1.7 in 10 power 7 per meter. Z is 1 for hydrogen. So leave it. Then 1 by n1 value. N1 value, how much we can substitute? N1 value means if it is next wavelength, if next wavelength is in visible region, that means Balmer series, then we can substitute n1 is equal to 2. If next wavelength is in ultraviolet region, Lyman series, then n1 is equal to 1 we can substitute. Which we have to take? Next wavelength comes in which case? Whether it is in Balmer series or in Lyman series, which one we do we know? Set. For which visible region wavelength region we will see. Visible region, wavelength region. Visible region, wavelength region means 380 nanometer to around 800 nanometer. Therefore, we will assume that next wavelength is in Balmer series. We will assume and we will calculate we are getting or not. We will see. Okay, so next wavelength is in Balmer series, visible region. Therefore, we can take lower level is 2. Lower level we have taken 2. Now higher level we have to substitute. Higher level is n2. Higher level is how much that we have to substitute it. Sir. Now higher level is how much? In this case, for this case, transition is in which region means transition is in 6th to 2. 6th level to 2nd level takes place, so that we got this wavelength. So next wavelength in the sense that is lower than this we have to take or higher than this we have to take. For that case, you see the series here higher, here lower, here still lower, here still lower. Therefore, this series says that next wavelength is still lower. Wavelength is less in the sense frequency is more, energy is more. Energy is more in the sense transition level will be more, transition extent will be more. Therefore, here 6 to 2 means in this case 7 to 2 should be there. Therefore, higher level is 7, lower level is 2. So we will calculate lambda. So we are calculating lambda. Lambda comes as lambda is equal to 397.2 into 10 to the power of minus 9 meter. Because it is in SI system, so we got meter. So we will convert this into nanometer. So 397.2 into 10 power minus 9 meter is called a nanometer. We can say this is as a nanometer. Okay, so we got the value in a nanometer, we can say. Okay, let us go to next question. Yeah, hydrogen like atom. Yeah, hydrogen like species. Yeah, hydrogen like species. Atomic number is equal to Z. Is in a higher excited state. Is in a higher excited state of quantum number n. Of quantum number n. Of quantum number n. The excited atom can make a. The excited the excited atom can make a transition to the first excited state by successively emitting two photons of energies 10.2 electron volt and 17 electron volt respectively. Okay. Alternatively, the atom from the same excited state can make a transition to the second excited state by successively emitting two photons by successively emitting two photons 4.25 electron volt and 3.95 electron volt respectively. Determine the values of n and z. Determine the values of n and z. N and z we have to find. Set. So here, what is an atom? Here, hydrogen-like species. Okay. It is in higher excited state. Hydrogen-like species in higher excited state. From this excited state, it makes a transition to first excited state by emitting two photons of energies 10.2 and 17 electron volt. Set. Now, electron is in higher energy level, that is n. It is coming to which level in the sense first excited state. First excited state means n is equal to 2. By emitting how many photons means 10.2 and 17 electron volt. So one photon it is emitting means it is coming to some level so that it emits 10.2 electron volt. Then from this level it jumps here. Now it is emitting 17 electron volt. Now you see that this hydrogen-like species is in higher excited state. That higher excited state quantum number is n. It is jumping to first excited state. First excited state means n is equal to 2 by emitting two photons. One is 10.2, another one is 17. So 10.2 electron volt photon is emitting means coming to one level. From this level to second coming means emitting 17 electron volt cell. Alternatively, another possibility, the atom from the same excited state can make a transition to second excited state cell. Second excited state in the sense n is equal to 3. Sorry, same level. From same level it comes to n is equal to 3. Second excited state means n is equal to 3. Okay, n is equal to 3. Sorry. Now can make a transition to the second excited state, that means n is equal to 3 by successively emitting two photons of energy 4.25 and 3.95. Sir, it is coming to which level in the sense second excited state we said. Now how many photons it is emitting? See, two photons 4.25 3.95. Add these two values, how much you are getting? You see 4.25 3.95, add it, how much? Here 10, here 12, remaining one, and here 1 4. Therefore how much we are getting? That is so it is coming to second excited state. Second excited state means n is equal to 3. Now it is emitting 4.25 electron volt and 3.95 electron volt. 3.95 electron volt it is emitting. Sorry, okay. So now we can say here in this question one mistake is there. This, it is not 3, it is how much in the sense it is 5, 5.95. Sir, now we got, this is how much in the sense 5.95. Now see that this 4.25 plus 5.95, how much is there? You see that, is it equal to 10.2? Sir, sum of these two is equal to how much? Means 10.2. 10.2 in the sense, therefore it is n is equal to 3 here. This n is equal to how much? Means 3, because 4.25 plus 5.95 is equal to 10.2. Coming to second excited state means n is equal to 3, therefore it is 10.2, means this is also 10.2. This level, this higher level same, therefore this is third, means this is also third level. So when it comes from third level to second level, it is emitting how much? Means 17 electron volt it is emitting. Sir, okay, now we know this level and we know this level. From this what we can find, that we will see. Okay, by knowing these two levels, what we can find, that point we will go. Okay, so now we'll take energy is equal to Hc Rh into Z square into 1 by N1 square minus 1 by N2 square. Okay, first one here 10.2, this 10.2 will take 10.2 electron volt. Now this is how much? Means this is 13.6 electron volt. 13.6 electron volt Z square 1 by N1. N1 is how much? Means third level, therefore 3 square minus 1 by N2. N2 is how much? Means this is unknown, therefore that we will write N square. Okay, this is one equation. Next, this 17 electron volt will take, it is equal to Hc into Rh is 13.6 electron volt, then Z square 1 by this lower level is 2, this higher level is 3, higher level is 3. We got like this, we got two equations. Now you see that by simplifying this we can get atomic number Z. Sir, so by simplifying this we can get atomic number Z. Z is equal to how much? In the sense 3. Substitute this 3 here, substitute this atomic number here, we will get this n value. N is equal to how much? In the sense 6. Okay, by substituting Z here we got n, that is how much? In the sense 6 we got it. Sir, okay, we'll go to next sum. A gas of identical hydrogen like atom has some atoms in the lowest energy level A. Lowest means ground. Lowest energy level A, and some atoms in A, and some atoms in a particular, upper energy level B, upper energy level B, and there are no atoms in, and there are no atoms in any other energy level, the atoms of the gas make transition to a higher energy level by absorbing monochromatic light, light, monochromatic light of photon energy 2.7 electron volt. Subsequently the atoms emit radiation of only 6 different photon energies. 6 different photons energies. 6 different photons energies. Some of the emitted photons have energy 2.7 electron volt. Some have more and some have less. Some have less than 2.7 electron volt. So now what we have to find? Okay, first subdivision. We have to find a principal quantum number of level B. Next we have to find a ionization energy. Ionization energy we have to find. Ionization energy we have to find. Third subdivision. Find the maximum and minimum energies of emitted photons. Maximum energy of photon we have to find, and minimum energy of photon we have to find. So third subdivision is find the maximum and the minimum energies of the emitted photons. Sir, now first we will see what is given means hydrogen like atom. Sir, okay. It is in this some atoms present in level A. Level A is ground state. Level A is ground state. In level A some atoms are present. Okay. And some atoms present in exciter level B. And there are no atoms in any other energy level. Okay. So hydrogen, what is a species means hydrogen like species. Some atoms present in ground state, that is A. Some atoms present in some excited state, that is B. Other than these two levels, no atoms present. Sorry, okay. So first ground state means n is equal to 1, that is level A. In this level A some atoms present. Then some excited state, this level is called B. In this level some atoms are present. Sorry, okay. Next, the atoms of the gas make transition to higher energy level by absorbing monochromatic light of photon energy 2.7 electron volt. Sorry, this sentence, see, this gas is absorbing 2.7 electron volt. Gas is absorbing whether atoms in A is absorbing or atoms in B is absorbing, which one? Here they said the atoms of the gas make transition to a higher energy level by absorbing monochromatic light of photon energy 2.7 electron volt. So gas is absorbing 2.7 electron volt. In the gas, which gas atoms are absorbing? Level A or level B? What shall we say? Level A shall we say? Or level B shall we say? Which atom shall we say? So we do not know whether level A is absorbing or the level B is absorbing. They have not mentioned clearly. Simply they said gas is absorbing. So simply they said gas is absorbing means one possibility, atoms in level A absorbing 2.7 electron volt and atoms in B absorbing 2.7 electron volt. It is one possibility. Another possibility only A, another possibility only B. Sir, okay. Next sentence, subsequently the atoms emit radiation of 6 different photons energies. 6 different photons energies. Sir, okay. So from 6 different photons energies emitting means it is jumping from higher level to lower level, therefore it is emitting 6 different photons. Sorry, Some of the emitted photons have energy 2.7 electron volt. Some is emitting 2.7 electron volt means how much is absorbed, that much is emitting. How much is absorbed, that much is emitting means year transition and year transition remains same. So some have more. Some have more in the sense we already said two levels, A level and B level. Some is emitting more than 2.7 electron volt in the sense we have to go for another level, we have to go. Other than A and B, another level we have to go. Another level we have to go in the sense that may be this A level absorbed 2.7 electron volt might have gone to some C level. Otherwise, this level B absorbed this 2.7 electron volt and might have gone to C level. Isn't it? Otherwise, when excited electrons jumping to ground state, that is emitting more than 2.7 electron volt means what? So some another level is there, and some have less than 2.7 electron volt. So more than 2.7, less than 2.7, and 2.7 is there. Sir, okay. Now we will see first 6 different photons means what is this energy level, that we will see first. Here excited atoms, excited electrons on de-excitation emit 6 different photons. 6 different photons means from which level the electrons are jumping. First we will find that. Okay, so 6 different photons are emitted. 6 different photons are emitted means what is that level? What is that level, that we will see. Sir, suppose jumping from 2 to 1 in the sense only one photon. Starting from 3 means what is the possibility? Jumping from 3 to 2, 2 to 1, 2 to 1, or directly from 3 to 1. Therefore, how many photons it can emit? 3 different photons it can emit. Suppose electron is in third level, third energy level. Third energy level, it is going for de-excitation means it can jump in what way? That we'll see. Now, it is first, it is second, it is 3. Now, electron is in third energy level. It is going for de-excitation means one possibility jumping directly from 3 to 1, while it will emit one photon. Another possibility, this electron may jump from 3 to 2 by emitting one photon, and then from 2 to 1 by emitting another photon. Now, these 3 photons will have different energies. So, 3 photons emitting means electron coming from third level. That is the meaning. Now, 6 different photons. So, what is the level? Okay. So, by trial and error method, we will think that fourth level we will take. Here, third level we have seen. Now, we will take fourth level, we will see. Okay. Now, we will take fourth level. So, 4, 3, 2, 1. Like this we will take. Okay. 4, 3, 2, 1. So, what are the possibilities? Directly from 4 to 1. One possibility. Next step. 4 to 3, 3 to 1. It is one possibility. Next step. 4 to 2, 2 to 1. This is one possibility. Next possibility, here 4 to 3 means from third to 2, then 2 to 1. This is also one possibility. Correct? So, how many photons you see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 different photons. So, 6 different photons emitted means that higher energy level is what means fourth level. So that we got another energy level now. That another energy level is what means that is fourth level we got. Fourth level we got it. Sir. So this fourth level is greater than this B or less than this B. How do we know it? This fourth level is greater than B or less than B. How to know it? That is also one doubt. Sir, okay. Now we will see. Here. The 6 different photons means some have energy 2.7 electron volt. Sorry, some have energy 2.7 electron volt. Some have energy more than 2.7. some have energy less than 2.7. Sorry, first we will see regarding this. One is 2.7, next greater than 2.7, next less than 2.7. First we will see regarding this. Okay, so now it is one level, it is another level. This difference is how much? Means 2.7 electron volt will take. Next, greater than 2.7 electron volt. Greater than 2.7 electron volt means we will take like this. It is a greater than 2.7 electron volt will take. Next one is what? Less than 2.7 electron volt. So we have to take here like this. Then this is less than 2.7 electron volt we can say. This is what means less than 2.7 electron volt we can say. Therefore, one is 2.7 electron volt, greater than 2.7 electron volt, less than 2.7 electron volt means totally how many levels should be there? That is the first level, second level, third level, fourth level. 4 levels should be there, isn't it? So 4 levels should be there in the sense. Now let us see this n is equal to 4, greater than this b or less than this b. How do we know it? This n is equal to 4 is there? No. This 4 should be greater than this b or less than this b. How do we know it? Now, only 6 different photons they said. If you take this 4 is less than b. Suppose you are taking this 4 is less than b, we will take. Sorry. This 4 is what means less than b. Okay. This 4 is less than b will take, it is one possibility. Okay. 4 is less than b. Due to 4, 6 different photons we got in the sense, due to this b, we have to get still more, no. Then more than 6 different photons we have to get, no. But that is not said. This indicates n is equal to 4 is not less than b, it is greater than b, it indicates. So we came to know that n is equal to 4 is greater than b. Okay. N is equal to 4 is greater than b. Next, this from here we said in this point of view we said 4 levels possible totally. 4 levels possible we said one is A level, one is B level, next one is 4th level. Now we have to say one more level, we have to say that one more level is which one? That one more level is there? No. That one more level is here, otherwise is here. Which one? Whether it is A or it is B. Which one we have to understand it. That because totally 4 levels should be there. Correct? Then only as per this we will get. As per this, if you want to get, totally 4 levels should be there. So that another level is between this 4 and B, A. Otherwise B and A, B. Like this should be there. Whether it is A or it is B. Which one we have to conclude it. For which we will see the question. In this question you see, atoms of gas absorb monochromatic light of photon 2.7 electron volt. Now in this gas A is there, B is there. Which is absorbing 2.7 electron volt? Is it mentioned? But another point is mentioned. What is that means? In level A, some atoms present. Level B, some atoms present. There are no atoms in any other energy level. This may indicate A is possible but not B. Another point we'll see. So this 2.7 electron volt is absorbed by A, no doubt. B also might have absorbed. B also might have absorbed. This A is absorbing 2.7 electron volt. B also absorbed 2.7 electron volt. It absorbed 2.7 electron volt means it may go to this, otherwise this, isn't it? So it might have gone to this place, otherwise this place. So one possibility, if it has gone to this place, it is one possibility. It is absorbing 2.7 electron volt in the sense, suppose it is absorbing 2.7 and goes to this place, will take. then it is also observing 2.7 means it will come to this B or greater than B, you think it. For that we will see this one. Now see, this is 2.7, this is greater than 2.7, it is less than 2.7. This is what means B, this is what means A. If it is observing 2.7, it will go to this fourth. It is also observing 2.7, so no doubt it will go to 3, not 4, isn't it? It is going to 3 but not 4, like this will be there. Okay, sir. So these points indicates that this B is not possible. Okay, so this B is not possible. What is the possibility? In the sense A is possible, sir. So this is another level. We said this another level here, in the sense no doubt it is 3, it is 2, it is 1. That's all. Because it is 4, we confirmed it. It is ground state, they said already. So between this 4 and B, one level is there, means no doubt that is 3 and it is 2. Sir, okay, we got the levels, we got it. Sir, now what we have to find? In the sense we have to find a principal quantum number of this level. This principal quantum number of this level, we have to find it. So we got this level. This level, how much we got? In the sense 2, we got it, sir. So we got this level as 2. So we completed one question. Next we have to find a ionization energy, we have to find it, sir. How to find ionization energy, we'll see. Now we will take this is how much? In the sense 2.7 electron volt, we know 2.7 electron volt. So we will take this one. Okay, we'll take this. It is fourth level, it is second level, so we'll take that one. So fourth level energy minus second level energy is equal to 2.7 electron volt. Okay, fourth level energy minus second level energy is equal to 2.7 electron volt. Then energy level formula we know, minus 13.6 into Z square by N square electron volt per atom. This formula we know it. Now we will take hydrogen, and atomic number is 1, and ground state will take. So N is equal to 1, we will substitute here. So E for hydrogen is equal to minus 13.6 electron volt. Okay, sir. So we got like this. Now we will take this E4, we will take this E4 in the sense what we can write E4 is equal to E4, we will write it as it is equal to this minus 13.6 into Z square by N is how much? Means this N square is 4 square will take, it is E4. Okay, sir. Next E2 will take, E2 in the sense minus 13.6 into Z square by this this N is how much? In the sense 2 square will take. Now this minus 13.6 into Z square here, minus 13.6 into Z square here is there. Then we will take E1, we will take. Now we will take for E1. So E1 in the sense minus 13.6 into Z square by N1 is how much? In the sense 1, we can substitute. This N value is how much? In the sense 1 square. Okay, so this is here we can say E1 is equal to minus 13.6 into Z square. So E2 is equal to how much? In the sense minus 13.6 into Z square by 2 square, we will substitute. Okay, so now E4 is equal to what? Minus 13.6 into Z square, that is how much? Means E1. So E1 by 4 square. Okay, E1 by 4 square minus E2 is equal to minus 13.6 into Z square, that is equal to E1 will take. So E1 by 2 square is 4. 2 square is 4, equal to 2.7 electron volt. Okay, sir. From this what we can calculate? E1 is equal to, from this we can calculate E1 is equal to how much? In the sense minus 14.4 electron volt. E1 is equal to minus 14.4 electron volt. That means energy of first level. Energy of first level, in the sense this you take positive, you will get ionization energy. Therefore ionization energy is equal to plus 14.4 electron volt, we got it. Next we have to find maximum energy